Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina until 12:45 p.m. At 12:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chabourn, or 8 miles west of Whiteville, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Bladenboro, Abbotsford in butters around 12:30 p.m. Elizabethtown and Bladen Community College around 12:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dublin, Clarkton, and Bladen County Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 380 and 391. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.